In the last weeks, especially at the end of 2023, many famous YouTubers publish videos declaring that they are leaving YouTube. Everyone has their reasons, and let me tell you, they have a lot in common. But why are they really giving up YouTube if for most this is the dream job? It's easy to look at successful YouTubers and think that their lives are a glamour. The truth is that what you see on the camera is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more going on behind the scenes that many creators don't share openly. One of the biggest challenges is burnout. Creating content consistently, managing social media, dealing with criticism. All of this can take a toll on a creator's mental health. Many YouTubers feel overwhelmed, and sadly, some of them are stepping away to prioritize their well-being. I want to emphasize the word consistency. A YouTuber always has to be consistent. YouTube is like a roller coaster that starts slow and starts to accelerate steadily. Let me explain. If you decide to publish one video a week, you have to do it every single week. Otherwise, you won't grow. I started like this, and when I saw the growth, I decided to add a little bit more per week. One video and one short per week. And that actually helped me grow more and more. Of course, I'm still a micro YouTuber, but the channel is growing and I have to be constant. I know YouTubers that wanted to grow, so they started to post 2 shorts and 1 video weekly. Imagine doing that every week. That is crazy. And if you stop doing it or change something, that's when the problem starts. And that's where the YouTube algorithm and its constant changes come in. The algorithm is like a puzzle, and creators need to constantly adapt to stay visible. With each adjustment, some creators find it difficult to keep up, leading to frustration and feeling lost in the vast sea of content. A YouTuber cannot afford to have personal or family problems or even get sick. That knocks down your channel. Last year, I published a video and a short per week, and that made my channel grow, and I started to make money, which obviously helps me and inspire me to create more videos. But at the end of the year, due to family reasons, I couldn't maintain that routine of a video and a short. And I want you to listen very carefully, because it doesn't mean that I was not posting every week. One week I posted a video, the other week I posted maybe 2 shorts. So I posted every week, but I changed the routine, the consistency. The YouTube algorithm is still punishing me, and that is very demotivating. The growth of my channel went down to 50%. It's a lot. The money changed too. Now YouTube is paying me half of what they were paying me. And all of this just for 3 weeks that I changed my routine, which could have been because I got sick or any problem. Imagine that years ago I opened a travel channel that worked very well, but the pandemic arrived and I stopped traveling. During that time, obviously I didn't publish. YouTube demonetized my channel, and suddenly I began to lose a lot of subscribers. The channel is still active, but it's not possible to maintain it now. I posted a video a few weeks ago about a cruise that I did in the Baltic, but the video won't get the channel back. I will leave you the channel over here, so I invite you to check the channel and let me know what do you think. Should I launch it again or not? Another strong problem is the pressure to remain relevant. Trends evolve, and what worked yesterday might not work today. We as creators often feel compelled to constantly reinvent ourselves. There are many who sacrifice their authenticity for trends, and I promise you that I will do everything possible not to fall into that. Since I created my channel because I love teaching and meeting new people, and that's why I respond to all the comments. I also love doing reviews and vlogs, but sadly I'm not doing them in this channel because of the trends and the algorithm. But let me tell you something, I don't care anymore. I will start doing it from now on. The idea is to enjoy what I love, and I love making videos. Now, this whole thing about the trends and the algorithm is even more difficult for me because I have this channel also in Spanish. And let me tell you that what works for me in this channel is not going to work necessarily on the other channel, and it's exactly the same content. It's just a different language. As an example, the video that I published before this one, the one that I talk about drones, I did it from my own experience. I want to buy a smaller drone since I sold mine, and it is a whole issue to choose a drone that can be useful for everything I do. But okay, that video in this channel worked okay, but in the Spanish channel it didn't work, and it's the same content. It is just in a different language. By the way, if you want to watch the video and you didn't, I will leave you the link up here so you can enjoy it. Okay, I don't want to be misunderstood. I love this job. I love making videos and helping a lot of people. I love reading comments. You have no idea the feeling of seeing thousands of people watching my videos monthly. But imagine that being a micro YouTuber, a slight degree of stress is already appearing. Imagine the giant YouTubers. That's why many are giving up. Now, this thing about many YouTubers leaving YouTube at the same time could also be part of the trend, don't you think? Why all at the same time? Could it be a coincidence? Now let's talk about financial insecurity. While some YouTubers are successful, many struggle. Unpredictable ad revenue, demonetization, and the changing sponsorship landscape can cause financial stress, making some creators find it difficult to maintain their channels. As a micro YouTuber, I cannot live out of YouTube. Even having some sponsorships or links with affiliations, I have another job, obviously. Now, successful YouTubers who supposedly have financial stability can fall if they stop posting for a week or change their consistency, as you saw in the example before. All this thanks to the famous YouTube algorithm that is not designed for creators. Furthermore, if a content creator starts to grow, suddenly 100,000 or 200,000 subscribers, then you cannot do this alone. The quality of your videos must grow. You have to create ideas for new videos, scripts, film the videos, edit the videos, see the sponsorships, prices, receipts, taxes to pay. You already need a team of people to work with you. Which sounds super cool, but remember that if something goes wrong and you don't publish for a week, the algorithm kills you and your earnings drop. And since you have to pay your team, who's gonna do it? It's a constant stress. Also, with that number of subscribers, it no longer lets you have another job. Look at Casey Neistat, a vlogging genius on YouTube. He has almost 13 million subscribers. When he started, he was publishing one video a week. Then he wanted to make his channel grow and he started to publish one video a day for 1 year. That was really crazy, but really boosted his channel. But now he's a giant, but he cannot remain constant. Nowadays, he posts a video when he can. His last video was 2 months ago. Also, the other day, I saw an interview with Mr. Beast, and they asked him about his girlfriend. And he said that he sees his girlfriend from time to time, and they got used to it. So you see, you no longer have a normal life. Of course, he's a mega YouTuber, but still, you get my point. In conclusion, there are many unseen challenges that many YouTubers face. It is crucial for us as viewers to be empathetic and supportive. If your favorite creator takes a break or decides to quit, you have to understand them. And now, if you are a content creator, you have to be responsible and constant. Don't let madness take over you. My advice is to look for another content creators in your area, people with the same interests, the same likes, with whom you can chat, you can talk about your problems, the new challenges of your channel, and your job. I love making videos and editing them. I love creating and generating new content ideas for my channels. For me, this started as a hobby, as something that I love to do. Obviously, now that is some money coming, I feel more motivated and want to improve the quality of my videos. We must be realistic. This is a combination of a hobby, something that I love to do, and money. So it's a job. Now, I still have a long way to go to reach the level of these YouTubers with so many followers. So you will have Mario for a while. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Are these YouTubers really quitting, or is this just a trend? Until next week.